Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Harmony Cove development taking place in Trelawney. Now this is a US $1 billion investment to build a hotel complex in Harmony Cove, Trelawney. It's going to feature a 26-story hotel and it's going to be 1,000 rooms with all the amenities you find in a modern hotel, including an 18-hole PGA type golf course and a massive casino, one of the largest casinos in the Caribbean. So we're going to give you an update as to what's happening with this development. Now when it comes down to tourism, Jamaica is a major player in the Caribbean. Everywhere you look in Jamaica, especially the north coast, you see massive hotels going up. And they're just getting bigger and bigger because more and more people want to invest in Jamaica. And a company like Rio built one hotel, now they have 7. Sandals, Secrets, Royalton, so many large hotel groups are in Jamaica. Just to give you an example, the Princess Resort opened a 1,000-room hotel in Hanover, and they are now working on another 1,000 rooms to bring it to 2,000 rooms. That's the kind of investment that is taking place in tourism, re-tourism in Jamaica. So the Harmony Cove development is one of many US billion-dollar investments taking place in Jamaica. We'll go through the list of these mega developments in another video. So we're going to go through an article that gives you an update on what's happening with the Harmony Cove development. This is the one in Trelawney. The Harmony Cove development is an ambitious luxury resort project planned for Jamaica's northern coast, specifically Trelawney Parish. Spanning approximately 2,225 acres, the development aims to transform the area into a premier tourist destination. The Harmony Cove development is a highly anticipated luxury resort project in Trelawney, Jamaica, spearheaded by Nexus Luxury Collection in partnership with the Government of Jamaica through Harmonization Limited and Tavistock Group. A 26-story hotel with 1,000 rooms, making it one of Jamaica's tallest hospitality structures. And this development will not be an all-inclusive, but it will be a family-oriented resort offering a unique alternative to traditional Jamaican tourism. It will feature a 32,000 square foot casino, and this casino will be a full-service casino, one of the largest in the Caribbean. It will involve a golf course, an 18-hole championship course designed by Tiger Woods. It will have music and entertainment, a world-class music venue developed by Justin Timberlake, and it will have a beach and marine activities featuring a beachfront, water sports, and an exclusive marina for yachts. It will have group and meeting rooms catering to business and corporate events. The project is estimated to cost US $1 billion in a startup capital and investment. Jamaicans will have the opportunity to invest in the development through an initial public offering, allowing local small investors to participate in its growth. The Jamaican cabinet is currently reviewing financial incentives for the project, signaling progress towards its long-awaited launch. Originally conceived 2 decades ago, the project faced multiple delays due to funding challenges. In July 2023, the Jamaican government and Tavistock Group finalized a framework agreement to push the project forward. The project is now on a fast track with groundbreaking expected in the near future. And this project is expected to create thousands of jobs in construction, hospitality, and entertainment. Will position Trelawney as a premier luxury tourism destination in the Caribbean and aims to diversify Jamaica's tourism industry, moving beyond traditional all-inclusive resorts. The Harmony Cove project, once completed, will be a game changer for Jamaica's tourism sector, offering a world-class luxury experience while ensuring local investment opportunities for Jamaicans. So that's the end of the update article. So it's for Cabinet to approve the financial aspect of the deal, and once that's done, things should get started. So we'll keep you guys updated on this development and all the other hotel developments going on in Jamaica. Alright, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.